Ito ang ating fairy tale theme backdrop. Okay. Check natin yung entrance. Ito yung entrance natin. Ayan. Please excuse yung mga nakahubad kasi mainit talaga. 7:10 in the morning. Okay ka lang?
Yeah.
Ay, may sinasabi si Redel. Hey guys, so it's what time is it? 9:45 and ito na ang ating setup. Okay, so mamaya iilaw natin yan. Okay, what do you think guys? Theme natin is fairy tale. This baby. Ayan, so making sure na malinis ang ating stage. Okay, see you later. Thank you.